my spot weld the bottoms down here, right there, a couple spots right here. Pretty sure this ain't got no gas in it. Suppose I could get a flashlight and shine down in there just to make sure. That's how the professionals do it. Yep, shoot. Pretty much dry as a bone down in there. Doesn't look too bad. It's good. Tank looks to be okay. I'll be careful not to burn a hole in it. I suppose I could remove it. That would also be how the professionals would do it. Let's see how it's attached. If it ain't attached on there too hard, I'm not going to take it off. Let's just do straps. It's a good looking tank. Sure is. Do I want to cut them straps and take it off? Yeah, I think I do. For a couple of reasons. Well, yeah, let's just take it off. We can put it back later. We can strap it back on there. I got strappage. So let's just snip that off. We won't be worried about burning a hole. Nice clean place to weld that. I suppose I could take all the pressure off of this. Let this jack stand come down and put all the weight right on that while I'm welding it. That'll work. Alrighty then. I'm getting you some new welding rods, some more welding rods pretty soon. I'm getting a little low. I got a lot to weld with here. I'm not going to burn too many of that though. I call that just fine. So now I can let this stand down off them blocks and things and move it back yonder somewhere out of the way. Check these jack stands. A lot of people talking about how some of these is dangerous these days. These say they're hyper tough, 2-ton jack stand. I don't know if that's a Harbor Freight or not. I think Harbor Freight had some that people were saying were not good. I don't know. I'd have to go check online, see what the numbers are on them. I thought I had 4 of them, but I only found 2 when I went to look for them this time, so I don't know if I only got 2 or if I put the others away in such a good spot that I don't know where they're at anymore. Can't tell.